I feel so bored. What shall I do today? I know. Today I'm going to the beach with my girlfriend Starlight Glimmer, Sunset Shimmer, and Edward. But before I do so, I'm going to call Starlight Glimmer to invite them for beach day. Hi Starlight Glimmer.
Oh hey Duck, what brings you in calling me?
I was wondering if you can join me for beach day.
Of course. I'd like to join you for beach day. Are you inviting anyone else?
I'm inviting Sunset Shimmer and of course, Edward.
That's good to hear. See you at the beach, Duck. Goodbye.
See you there too, babe. Bye.
Hi there Duck and Starlight Glimmer.
Hi Sunset Shimmer and Edward. Ready for beach day everyone?
Of course! Let's head down to the sandy yellow beach. Thomas and James, you two are here as well.
Of course we are. What shall we do to start off?
Thomas, let's build our sandcastles and see who can build the best.
Did somebody say building sandcastles? We're in.
Count me in too. Don't forget me, darling.
Wow, that was hard work. But at least we're done.
I guess we declare this competition a draw. What's next?
Alright everyone. Today we're going on a volleyball match between Team James, which consists of Rarity and my babe Twilight Sparkle, and Team Edward, which consists of Sunset Shimmer and Starlight Glimmer.
There'll be absolutely no cheating or giving other team disadvantages. Whoever gets the most points in 3 rounds win. Anyways, let the match begin.
Ready, fight!
Team James has earned themselves a point.
Round 2, begin.
Team Edward has earned themselves a point, which brings them to a tie.
Round 3, begin.
Rarity, no using your power in volleyball match, so Team Edward earns a point. Which brings a score of 2-1, which means the winners are Sunset Shimmer and Starlight Glimmer.
Better luck next time, Rarity.
Sunset, that was an impressive stunt.
Thanks.
Let's go swimming at the ocean.
You bet we are joining in.
I'm going to cut Sunset Shimmer and Rarity's bra. Ha 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 ha.
What the hell is Bulgy doing? I don't know, Donald. Don't look. What the?
What the hell happened to our swimsuits? We're freaking exposed. Edward and James, don't look.
I'm out of here. Same here. Duncan, let's get out of here.
Due to Sunset Shimmer and Rarity's breasts exposed, I have no choice but to censor this scene of Bulgy getting caught.
Bulgy, for Grand Puff's sake. You should be very ashamed of what you did to Sunset Shimmer and Rarity.
Yeah. You shouldn't go around and cut people's bra. You know that's disgusting and it grossed me out.
That's it. Go home right now while I call the fat controller about this.
Seriously, Bulgy? Why did you cut Sunset Shimmer and Rarity's bras off? Why?
It's because I want to see their sexy boobs.
Bulgy the stupid double-decker perverted boss. How dare you cut Sunset Shimmer and Rarity's bras off? You know that it's called sexual harassment and invading their privacy. That's it. You are grounded until Mercury completes one orbit around the sun. Go to your shed right now.
I hate you, sir. Go and lose weight, you big fat hippopotamus.
Hello. How dare you went too far. That's it. You're grounded for an additional 100,000 seconds.
Remember kids, do not ever cut people's bra. It's extremely rude and inappropriate.
Yeah. If you do, then you get arrested for sexual harassment. If you're a parent, don't let your kids do so.
Anyways, I'm going to buy a new one for my sister Rarity. Goodbye, and see you in the next episode.